Would you like your home to fill you with peace and tranquility? And would you like to avoid the chaos of a normal home renovation project? Well, I'm Esley Wright, and this is Home Renovations with Feng Shui. And I'm going to walk you through some Feng Shui principles, rituals, and enhancements that help you to avoid the chaos of a typical home renovation project. I started to understand that there's a metaphor for what the construction project is all about. Because your home or your office or any kind of structure that we're working on really is a living thing. And the renovation project, we can think about it, is like doing surgery on your nest. You have a life. Your renovation project is to ultimately help you have a more balanced, wonderful, fruitful life, and to have an environment that supports you to do that. The commanding position, fundamental principle, something fabulous to have: sleeping, working, eating. Key things in our life. You can try to make sure you're in that position all those times during the renovation project. I guarantee you're going to be a lot less stressed out. Does your kitchen support your life? And is your kitchen the heart of your home? And do you want to avoid a dysfunctional and cluttered kitchen? I'm Esley Wright. Welcome to Kitchen Design Using Feng Shui. In this course, I am going to teach you how to avoid a dysfunctional and cluttered kitchen and to create a kitchen that truly is the heart of your home. But now we're going to talk specifically about the way that your kitchen is set up. And again, there is no right or wrong, but it's important to actually think about the way that the layout is set up and how we can optimize it. Even if you cannot renovate, fully gut renovate your kitchen, and you are just going to do a decoration or an enhancement of your kitchen, the need assessment that you do is still exactly the same. And the last tip is organize. Organize all of your storage spaces specific to what your needs are. Do not do a generic one-size-fits-all. The backsplash is such an underutilized area in the kitchen, and it's perfect for balancing the elements. Whether it's through shapes, colors, just everything, materials, anything you want, you really can change and enhance an existing kitchen simply by adding a backsplash. So the main elements that we're going to talk about here include water, wood, fire, earth, and metal. But once you have a vision board and you have a material board, and you understand all of these things, the choices start to narrow down quite quickly.